do? Hello again and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be making a quick jerk seasoning because I'm going to season some goat meat for curry. So here I have some hot peppers, fresh thyme, garlic, spring onion, ginger, brown sugar, soy sauce and cinnamon powder. And here we have the main ingredient, the pimento seeds or allspice. So let's jump into it and make this quick jerk seasoning. First thing I'm going to do is to add the hot peppers to my blender. Now I'm adding my garlic, ginger, cinnamon powder, soy sauce, and I'm adding some brown sugar here. And here we have the pimento, which is the main ingredient for jerk seasoning. What I've done is to pre-prep the pimento, so I'm not adding the seeds like this to the blender. So what I've done is to grind the pimento seeds using my NutriBullet. So if you have this blade with your NutriBullet, use it to grind your seed, and then you will have this lovely powdery fragrance of pimento. So I'm going to add some here to the rest of the ingredient. And with the pimento, you can add however much you feel you want to add. Just don't overpower the seasoning, but as it's the main ingredient in jerk seasoning, it's what gives the flavor and the taste. So now I'm going to add some fresh thyme here. Next, I'm going to add my spring onions. Now I'm going to add my onion. And here I'm using one onion. And one of the tricks to making jerk seasoning and getting the best flavor from it is I find when I use less onions and more spring onions or scallion, I get a better flavor from the jerk seasoning. So here I'm only using one. I would say this is a medium onion, so I'm using one medium-sized onion here. Now I'm going to add some water to the blender, and I'm only adding the water just to get the blade spinning because I'm using my NutriBullet. If I'm using a food processor or something else, I wouldn't add the water. So I'm going to add a little water here, and this is less than 1/3 cup of water. Like I say, it's just to get the blade spinning while I'm adding the water. So now we are going to blend this here. So there we have it. It's now finished blending. Just going to remove this from here, and I'll show you now what the texture look like. And you don't want to smell this, the flavors are just bursting. So here I'm going to pour some here because I'm going to season my goat meat, but this can be stored at home in a glass jar, and this will last for up to 3 months if you keep it in a cool place. It can be kept in your refrigerator or just somewhere very cool, and it will last you for a couple months. Well, when I do make these, they will last me for 2 months, 3 months.